Jasmy coin is another extremely token that basically has been acquiring consideration in the realm of advanced monetary standards. It's the primary pretty Japanese blockchain project that furnishes the two organizations and individuals with kind of novel and creative information stockpiling prospects in an every practical sense, large way. We should sort of investigate it closer and for the most part make some Jasmy coin cost expectations for the next few long stretches of time. What most certainly is Jasmy coin, or so they thought. Jasmy coin is a new blockchain project from Japan. It explicitly was sent off in October 2021 by the Improvement Group, Kunitake Ando, Kazumasa Sato, Masanobu Yoshida, and Hiroshi Harada. The blockchain innovation created by Jasmy plans to re-establish and basically protect especially private information control. It consolidates customary web of things with blockchain innovation, empowering clients to administer their own information safely. Jasmy's by and large decentralized blockchain essentially has worked to generally safeguard clients' information and especially give them genuinely complete command over how and when it explicitly is used, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. To do as such, the Jasmy network utilizes Interplanetary Generally Record Framework, or IPFS, which consolidates exceptionally savvy safeguard and security information communicator in a significant way. The venture likewise generally offers its clients a genuinely individual information storage where they can securely for the most part keep their data. The truly objective by and large is to lay out a setting where clients would fundamentally really control their information and basically choose how to utilize it, or so they generally thought. IoT gadgets will really be a wellspring of new information that develops in the information storage amazingly. The Jasmy stage has its local token called JASMY. It is an Ethereum-based token and the principal digital money to sort of be made lawfully consistent in Japan. This is essential since Japan in every way that really matters is a nation where digital currencies are broadly managed and dependent upon severe principles in an unobtrusive manner. JASMY essentially is intended to be an installment digital currency. Organizations who need to gain admittance to client information can explicitly do as such by getting it and paying in JASMY. This lifts the opportunities for information subordinate associations to gather information, which especially is ordinarily hard to explicitly dropped by. It is guessed that the worth of the information will ascend as the market develops, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. What was JASMY's greatest cost, which really is genuinely huge? JASMY in every way that really matters hit its unsurpassed exorbitant cost of $4.99 in February 2021, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. It arrived at the base cost in September 2022. What is Jasmy coin utilized for, or so they basically thought? JASMY is an ERC20 token utilized as an installment strategy on the Jasmy organization, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy IoT contraption clients certainly are compensated with Jasmy coin tokens for offering their own information to accomplice organizations. When did Jasmy coin turn out in an unobtrusive manner? JASMY truly was presented on the fundamentally Japanese market BIT Point Japan in October 2021. Is it great to purchase Jasmy coin especially? There explicitly is no straightforward solution to whether it is great to essentially purchase Jasmy coin, which is genuinely critical. From one viewpoint, this digital currency sort of has been staggeringly unstable, which sort of implies that financial backers might actually explicitly rake in boatloads of cash assuming they purchase when the cost is most certainly low, and sell when it spikes. Be that as it may, there is likewise an incredible arrangement of chance included, and Jasmy coin has been known to out-of-nowhere crash. The marking stage, which essentially is right now a work in progress, ought to build the liquidity of the token. This might actually by and large influence JASMY's future cost and market capitalization in a kind of good manner, which is very critical. Likewise, we shouldn't basically fail to remember that JASMY is a truly youthful cash on the crypto market, so there explicitly isn't a lot of significant market information, and its genuine worth is hard to gauge, which is very critical. So eventually, it relies upon your gamble resistance and speculation objectives. In the event that you're able to by and large take a risk and you're okay with kind of possible misfortunes, then, at that point, purchasing Jasmy coin could basically be a decent choice. What will Jasmy coin be genuinely worth in a significant manner? You can find the exceptionally normal cost gauges by month and year in the segment underneath, which is very huge. Jasmy coin value forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Jasmy coin costs expected in 2022, the by and large least expensive Jasmy coin will be $0. The greatest level that the JASMY cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. JASMY value figure for October 2022. In light of the value changes of Jasmy coin toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical JASMY pace of $0 October 2022. It's in every practical sense. Least and most extreme costs can in a real sense be normal at $0 separately, which is genuinely critical. November 2022, Jasmy coin value figure, or so they thought. Digital money specialists are truly prepared to report their gauge for the JASMY cost in November 2022, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The kind of least exchanging cost could be $0, while the especially most extreme could in a real sense reach $0 this month. Overall, it truly is normal that the worth of Jasmy coin could by and large be around $0, which is genuinely huge. JASMY value conjecture for December 2022 in a genuinely enormous manner. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value vacillations of Jasmy coin in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal JASMY rate they truly anticipate may be around $0 December 2022. It can drop to $0 a genuinely least in an unobtrusive manner. The in every way that really matters, greatest worth could be $0. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023, which essentially is genuinely huge. After the examination of the costs of Jasmy coin in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the genuinely least cost of Jasmy coin will be around $0. The greatest expected JASMY cost might be around $0 in an unobtrusive manner. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Jasmy coin, in 2024, JASMY is supposed to have the accompanying most certainly least and truly greatest costs, about 1 cent and 1 cent, separately, which is genuinely critical. The kind of typical expected exchanging cost generally is 1 cent. Jasmy coin value expectation 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Jasmy coin and their changes during the earlier years. It certainly is expected that in 2025, the in every practical sense, least JASMY cost could drop to 1 cent, while its most extreme can basically reach 1 cent. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 1 cent. Jasmy coin value expectation 2026 amazingly. In light of the examination of the expenses of Jasmy coin by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least JASMY costs explicitly are normal in 2026, 2 cents and 2 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 2 cents. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Jasmy coin. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical JASMY cost will truly be around 3 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. It could drop to an in every practical sense, least of 3 cents, however it actually could reach 3 cents all through 2027. Jasmy coin value expectation 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists really plan figures at the cost of Jasmy coin, which is genuinely critical. It is assessed that JASMY will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 4 cents and 5 cents in 2028. Its sort of typical expense most certainly is normal at around 5 cents during